to everyone. I am Sudanva from JPS for Affairs and Quiz. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And this is very interesting video. Please do watch until end. Let's get started. The first question: on what planet Great Red Spot is located? Options are here: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Venus. So the answer is Jupiter. So the Great Red Spot means the storm in the southern hemisphere, which spins in the clockwise direction, that is based on the wind speed. So the Great Red Spot has slowly changed over the years and is currently about 1.3 times as wide as our planet. So this is the image, as we can see the red area portion there. The next question: what science does not deal with space? Options are here: astrophysics, astronomy, entomology, cosmology. The answer is entomology, because the entomology is a scientific study of insects, which are animals with segmented bodies. Astrophysics is a study of universe and our planet. Astronomy is the study of universe beyond our planet, and cosmology is the study of structure of our universe. So why this answer will be entomology, that is the scientific study of insects. Next question is here: which planet has the strongest force of gravitation? Options are here: Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. The answer is Jupiter, because the Jupiter is the most massive planet in our solar system and has a very strong gravity. The gravitational force of Jupiter is about 2.5 times that of the Earth. You can imagine how the gravitation of the Jupiter will be. The space or the surface gravity of the Jupiter is measured at its cloud tops, which is 24.79 meter per second, or in grams 2.528 grams. So the Jupiter has the strongest force of gravitation than the Earth. Next question: which is the largest moon of the Saturn? Titan, Rhea, Hyperion, Thetia. The answer is Titan, because the Titan is the Saturn's largest moon and the second largest moon in our solar system. Then the first largest moon will be the moon of the Jupiter. It is very big and it is the largest moon of the solar system, and Titan is the second largest moon of Saturn, and it is the first largest moon in the Saturn. Titan is bigger than Earth's surface and larger than even the planet Mercury. Titan was discovered by Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens in 1655. So here is a picture of it. See, it's bigger than the moon. We can see and tell that, right? Next question: was the world's first artificial satellite? Options are here: Explorer 1, Solvite, Soyuz 1, Sputnik 1. The answer of this is Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was name given to a series of artificial Earth satellites whose launching by Soviet Union on the beginning of October 4th, 1957. Here the Soviet Union refers to the old name of Russia. In present day, Soviet Union is called as Russia. So it is the first artificial satellite, world's first artificial satellite, which was launched by Russia on 1957 of October. Its weight was 83.6 kg and also in pound 184 pound. So why the Sputnik 1 is the world's first satellite launched by Soviet Union in 1957. See, this is very simple structure of its satellite. Next question. What is the name of the satellite situated at the L2 point? James Webb Satellite or Telescope, RAS, GRACE, NPP. The answer is James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Telescope was launched on 25th December 2021 on a Ariane 5 rocket from Kouroi, French, and arrived at the Sun L2 Lagrange point in January 2022. It was launched by NASA in 2021 from the French by the name Ariane rocket. The full form of L2 is Lagrange point, and it has reached that point in January 2022. The first web image was released to the public via a press conference on the 11th July 2022. So it has captured the first image, and that tease got published by NASA on 11th July 2022. So this is the Webb telescope present in the Lagrange point of the Sun and the Earth. So the next question. Which layer of Sun can be seen from the Earth? Options are here. Photosphere, chromosphere, pupil, corona. You don't compare this corona to the COVID-19. Corona is a one layer of Earth. Sun. Yes, the options are is photosphere. See, you can see the images here. The photosphere is the thirdmost layer from the outside of the Sun. So, from the Earth, during the days, we can see the photosphere through our naked eyes. So, in second image, we can see the corona layer there. During the total solar eclipse, we can see the outermost layer of the Sun, that is corona layer. And during the day-to-day lives, during the daytime, the surface which we see on the Sun, that is called as photosphere. So why? From the Earth, the Sun layer can be seen, that is photosphere. So as we have discussed about the Sun and its layer, let us also discuss about a short information about the Aditya L1, which is launched by Indian ISRO on September 2, 2023. So Aditya L1 is launched by the rocket PSLV C-57. It was launched from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, from the Satish Dhawan Space Station yesterday at 11:50 p.m. So the Aditya L1. Here the L1 represent Lagrange point. What is Lagrange then? The Lagrange means the opposite attraction force. As the Newton already stated that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, this theory also follows in space. Here you can see in the image that the gravity of the Sun and the gravity of the Earth are the actions, and each of them are getting the reactions. There will be fluctuations in gravity. So that is called as Langer Lagrange point 1. So where that both gravity clear out or stops, that is called as Lagrange point. Here you can see the Lagrange 1 is present, and that is the where the Aditya satellite will be situated. So there are 5 points, as you can see here, Lagrange points. In L2 point there is a NASA's very strong telescope, James Webb telescope, as we have discussed it. Then Aditya L1. Aditya L1 first orbit our Earth. Trajectory, that is called as trajectory. After that, they'll increase the speed of the satellite and they'll directly put that satellite into the Lagrange point 1. From Earth to L1, the distance between that is 1.5 million kilometer. The main aim of the Aditya L1 is to study the outer layer of the sun, that is corona layer. During the total solar eclipse, we can see the corona layer. We can see the corona layer. So in this Aditya L1, there are 7 payloads. The first 3 payloads works and study about the sun, and other 4 payloads are mandatorily required to study about the Lagrange point 1, that is L1. So this is some information about Aditya L1. So now let's go to next question. Which is the first country that had softly landed on the surface of the moon? Options are here: Soviet Union, Russia, China, India. Exactly, the answer will be Soviet Union. Soviet Union is the old name of Russia. Presently, it is called as Russia. It is the first country to softly land on the moon surface in 1959 by the mission named Luna 9 on the north pole of the moon. It is the first country to softly land on the moon. Let us go to the question. Which is the first satellite of the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization? Options are here: Kalpana 1, Aryabhatta, Apollo, Chandrayaan 2. Exactly, the answer is Kalpana 1. The first of series METSAT 1 launched by India's PSLV on the September 12, 2002 will be known as Kalpana 1. The METSAT is the first exclusive meteorological satellite built by ISRO. So it's very great to be an Indian. So this much in this video. Let us find in next video. Until that, keep exploring and take care. Bye.